out what we have here, unique specialty classics. 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger, done up in a drag car look. And wait till we fire this one up at the end of the video. Here, run, check out the engine bay. 360 block underneath the hood that's now been built and stroked to a 408. So 408 stroker. Ripka Machining, actually in Redwood Falls locally here, did it. Less than 1,000 miles since this car was built as far as engine. Take a look at the front grille. Chrome in the bumper. Headlight surrounds. Big scoop. That drag look. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Polished aluminum wheels. Again, going for that drag wheel look. Vinyl bucket seats, center console, and we'll again get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Does have a mini tub, FYI, so you can see the width of the rear wheels. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I say it's got that drag look to it. That was the look they were going for with the build. They have not drag raced it as far as consistent basis, anything like that. Like I said, the car's got 1,000 miles or less on it since the engine was done. And a lot of the components on this car built. Again, still pictures. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It does have a reverse manual throttle body. There is a line lock on the shifting lever, I guess, if you will, in the center console. And I'll show you that here when we get inside. All right, switches over on this side. Basically what you're looking at, those two toggle switches. So the one on the left, fuel pump and one's ignition. So you're going to want to flip both of those up when we start it, and I'll show you as we do it. Take a little closer look at the interior. Be able to see seats are pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner. All right, so what we're going to do is flip these a second. Okay, excuse me. This here, electric fan. This one here is ignition. Don't have to worry about the fuel pump. Do have a shift light, top of the column. Before I start it up, I'll tell you a few more things while we're on the interior here. As you can see, aftermarket tack, center console, extra gauges, little gauge cluster down below you can also see. And if you take a look right down here, you're going to see the line lock right there. And rev limiter and timing control also down here. All right, start this up so you can hear it run. Again, 360 block, stroke 408. We're going to let it warm up here a little bit. It wasn't a cold start. As you can see here. around to the back so you can hear this. Listen to that. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood so you can check out that engine bay. Show you some of the details underneath there also. There you go, hood pop. So MSD ignition, as you can see. Power steering, headers, aluminum radiator, aluminum heads, Edelbrock Performer RPM, also Edelbrock intake. Like we got Holly heating carb. And again, 360, stroke to a 408. Machine work done here locally. Professional engine builders.
Here we have a 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger going for a rip. Left turn signal works. Motor does work. Wipers do work. Right turn signal indicator works. Down the road, no pole either direction. Brakes feel manual, but they do work, and they brake straight. Oil pressure gauge under the dash is reading 65. Temperature is reading about 140. The factory temp gauge appears inoperable, and the fuel gauge is just under half.
There you go, 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger, that drag look to it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.